Here at Obsidian Manufacturing, we like to convey the culture of a family. The Obsidian brands have been in my family for many years, and we like to continue that tradition of my family and the whole family feel. From the time a customer picks up the phone to give us a call for anything from a new product to a rebuild to even just troubleshooting, you're going to be basically talking to somebody within an Obsidian family.
I love to be alongside the customer when they have an issue arrive because I've dealt with it on the other end. I've bought products before in my life, and trying to get somebody on the telephone to help you, you feel helpless. Right here, it's more like a hometown. Obsidian is a small business. If we don't give great customer service, then we're going to lose. Right here, made in the United States of America. You call us up if you ever have a troubleshooting issue, and we're going to be able to help you out, and we're going to be able to do it pretty quick. When a customer calls, if they do need to run through some troubleshooting, we've got techs that are on it immediately. We don't have to look up a book full of answers to try and help them. It's nice for me to work at a company where we're not putting people off. We help them right away, because the fact is, the faster we can help them, the faster they can get back to work.
Our employees are very familiar with our products on the machines, also like on the electromagnetic chucks and the chuck controls, and the battery operated lift magnets. We're able to troubleshoot most of the stuff even over the phone with a customer, but sometimes they have to send it in for repair.
I want our customers, whether they have a worldwide presence or a small machine shop, to know that our family, our Obsidian family, is dedicated to making sure that their problems are solved, their equipment is running, that we produce a good quality product and service that they can depend on.